y'all. So before we even get into the install, I want to point out a couple of things about this unit. Okay, first of all, she pre-plucked it for me, so I really didn't have to do any plucking. I did a little bit, but if I didn't want to do none, I didn't have to do any. The lace is transparent, very good, durable lace. My favorite two top laces are transparent or HD, the parting space, baby. Okay, remember, we up here. The tracks don't start until we get back here. Do you see all that parting space? Yes, that's a lot. That's a lot of parting space. Okay. And she was like, I'm a single 22, baby. Let me tell you right now, this is not no 22. This is the 2830, but I'm not tripping about it. Because y'all know me. Y'all know I love inches. But yes, I just want to say the quality of this wig is amazing. I'm loving the hair. I'm loving the lace. I'm loving the pre-bleach. The fact that the knots were pre-bleached. She bleached them for me. Like, yes, this is going to be a good day. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I finished the baby hairs, the install, all of that. This looks great. This lace looks amazing. Install looks amazing. I'm gonna make another video of me styling it, but I'm in a rush today. I gotta take some photos, stuff like that. So I'm gonna do me a little quick beat, and I'm gonna be back to let y'all know about the details and process, how well it performed during the install, all that good stuff. All right, be back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I finished my beat. Like, y'all, if anything could go wrong, it was going wrong. It was driving me insane. I finished my makeup, all of that. Like, this looks like fresh perm, baby. Fresh perm. Just went to the salon, got my hair done. Like, it's giving me very much that. I absolutely love this lace. This lace was beautiful. I loved installing the wig. Like, it was so easy, effortless, like all of that. And it's like I said, she said 22-inch, but it's really like 20, giving 28-30 tees. She giving 28-30 tees. Ooh, I'm straightening myself out. So yeah, I have to go outside and take some pictures because I'm trying to get better into like taking pictures and stuff like that. I'm putting these shades on. These are my new favorite shades. These are from Shein. They dirty though. I don't want to see that. But yeah, y'all, this lace is beautiful. I don't know what even type. I want to say it was a 13 by like, because this parting is deeper than 13 by 6. Like, it goes all the way back here. Where my parting is maybe like a 13 by 6. Goes all the way back here, baby. Like, yes, Herluxehair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Sending me a wig. Well, I can't say sponsor, but I'm gonna say sending me a wig, supporting me, letting me support your brand. But this wig is lit. I will be making another video of me like styling this wig because I just want to see what I can do with it. But yeah, y'all, it's giving Rapunzel. It's giving Pocahontas. Okay, it's giving Pocahontas. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. And dang, I remember now. Yeah, I got distracted. I'm gonna just keep it where I got distracted. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for me. Thank you for 1,000 subbies. We're gonna keep growing. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. Okay. And it's up. It's stuck. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Have a blessed day.